How to create a Discord server on mobile. Hello everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video I will show you how you can create your very own Discord server on mobile step by step. So first you need to open the Discord app on your phone. On the left side you will see a plus icon, so tap on it. This is where you can create new server. You will see two options: create my own or use a template. Tap create my own to start from scratch. Now give your server a name, add a profile picture if you would like, and then tap create server. Once your server is created, let's organize it. Tap the three dots at the top right corner and select create category. Give your category a name, something like welcome or general. This helps keep your channel grouped and tidy. Now tap the plus icon inside that category to add channels. Start with the text channel for welcome message and another one for rules or announcements. Next, let's create roles to manage your members. Tap your server name at the top, go to the server settings, then tap roles. Press the plus icon to create a new role. Start with member role and adjust its basic permissions. Then create an admin role and give it more control, like managing channels, kicking members. You can even assign colors to each role to make them easy to recognize. Now that your server is ready, it's time to invite some friends. Tap the three dots at the top again, select invite people, copy the link, and you can share that link with your friends so you can join your server instantly. And that's it. You have successfully created and set up your own very Discord server on mobile. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss future guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.